In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade to Spotify Premium on your iPhone. Okay, so how do we actually do this? So if you open up Spotify and you go to Premium in the bottom right hand corner, it's going to tell you here that you can't upgrade to Premium in the app. So what exactly do we have to do? So what I would do is close out of the app and open up a web browser. I've opened up Google Chrome here. You can do this on any web browser and you need to just type in Spotify. From here, you can go to the Spotify web player. If you go ahead and open the URL that says open.spotify.com, it will just load you back into the Spotify app. So try and find a link which is not that, maybe the web player. You basically need to get to the Spotify website. So I'm in Thailand, so it has converted it to English. Once you're on the Spotify website, go to the three lines in the top right hand corner, then go ahead and click on log in. Here we can log in with our email or our username, which you can go ahead and find on your Spotify app. Once you're logged in, you'll then be able to see the premium plans. Now I'm going to click view all plans, but you might have an offer here which you can make use of. As you can see for me, I'm going to choose the individual plan at 149 baht per month. You can choose any of these plans. I'm going to click get premium individual. It's then going to tell me the total and we can click on credit or debit card, or you can pay with any of these other payment methods. Enter in your details here, then click complete purchase and your premium subscription will be updated.